welcome back to the channel. So this is not my usual setting to start a video because I'm in Calvin's Miata, but we're going to an Osaka Outlaw car meet. This is gonna be my first time being there because usually their meets are pretty far from me, but surprisingly they decided to host one really close to us. So off we go. We're gonna see what we can see and hopefully some dope builds come out. So we made it to the spot. It's more quiet than I thought, but the meet is still pretty early, so we definitely can see some good stuff out here. There's an SI, there was an RSX. Alright, so I see a Mark IV Supra right there. There's a Kia Stinger, WRX, Aston Martin. Oh god, I recognize some people already actually.
There's a lot of kids here.
I recognize some people already. Some exotics pulled in. Ferrari with a McLaren buddy. And a really nice S2000. Sheesh. See these boys up close. Nice, I love that color. Oh, Rolls Royce. Big money. I feel you. I'll be with y'all soon. Here's the homie Cameron. Competition E92 M3 in manual. He's moving his car to be next to his Euro buddies. He wanted to move next to some more Euro buddies.
For fuck's sakes, we had a lineup over there.
Dude, this is so freaking nice. Goals. Check this out. Red steering wheel. Too poor to know that they come with that. But check this out. Next to some McLarens. Genesis. It's been a nice turnout so far. Look at this forged carbon. Holy crap. Worth like 10 of my Accords, to be honest. Sheesh. Maybe more. Got a Phantom right here in the back. Sheesh. And then you go over here and you have an HKS livery Supra. This one is actually right-hand drive as well. Wow. Well, we didn't stay that long, but had a dope turnout. It's pretty chill. Hopefully they do more in Eastville. Peace out to this SI. Got Calvin's car next to an 8.6. But yeah, it was really dope. Even though it's just a brief recap. Really enjoyed what Osaka Outlaw had to bring out to Eastville, and I talked to the owner for a little bit, so I know I haven't been to many meets in a while, so this was definitely very random, but hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next upload. Alright, do a pool for the boys. Alright, well, that's the end of this video. Sorry about it being really short, but I promise you more content is coming out for the Accord V6 and more. Alright, see you guys in the next upload.